Good afternoon, kids. Now today we will learn. Now you all know what is a linear graph, correct? Now we learn something called coordinates. In a graph, how to draw coordinates. Okay. Now children, graph is always made up of two axes. That is the y-axis and x-axis. That I have told you before. Linear also, correct? In all graphs, whether it's a linear graph, bar graph, whatever, there are two types of axes. The standing one is called the y-axis and the sleeping one is called the x-axis. Now children, coordinate means the numbers. For example, you take the first one over here in the screen. Can you see? Now coordinate means children, for example, there is a dot given on 1. Can you see first of all a dark dot on O on 0? Where x and y meets, always that point is called the origin, and the origin is always 0. Now if a dot is given over there, means a point is marked over there, and say it is said this is A. For example, it is said this dot we read as A. So how to find the coordinates of A? So what you need to see is, children, where is A dot situated? Where is it located? And always you have to write both the ways, means on x-axis where it is located and on y-axis it is located where. Okay, always start from x-axis first and then go for y-axis. Now if we take the point which is given A, on point 0 it is marked. So if you go to see on x-axis, where is point A? On 0. And on y-axis, where is point A? Again on 0. So your coordinates of point A, as it is on point 0, your coordinates will be O comma O. Always remember, x-axis we will write first, y-axis we will write second, putting it a comma in between. This is called coordinates. Now similarly, see in this figure, if it is given, coordinate is given, there's a dot given on 2 on x-axis. Sorry, if there's a point given B on y-axis on the number 2 and nothing is given on x-axis, meaning of this is the coordinate of x will be 0, and because on y-axis the point is on 2, the coordinate on y-axis will be 2. Now let's think of this. These are easy one. First I will teach you this one, so you will get the original ones also more easy. Now children, over here you can see a line, and in bracket what is written, those are known as coordinates are written over here. How to know what are the coordinates? Very simple. Now for example, you take the point Z. Can you see where is the Z point? If you see on x axis, it is on 6, correct? If you extend that dot and touch the x axis, you will touch the point 6. Same way, if you extend the z point on y axis, you will touch 2. So the coordinates will be 6 comma 2. As I have said, x axis you will write first and then you will write the y axis. Clear? Same way, find the coordinate of y, point y. So where is point y situated? X axis, if you touch, see it is going on 5, and y axis it is going on 3. So your coordinates will be 5 and 3. Getting, children? Now find the coordinates of x. See, x axis it is going on 3 and y axis it is going on 5. So the axis will be 3 comma 5. Same way, you take w, point w. What are the coordinates? So coordinates will be 2 comma 6. Clear? This is very simple if both the axis points are given. Now what happens, children? Sometimes one is constant, means for example, you see this diagram, you will find all the y axis is constant. Can you see? Y axis, it is touching, the line is touching only on 3. So your y axis will remain same everywhere. y-axis will remain what? Where it is touching on 3. So see over here, you can see the coordinate everywhere y will remains constant, 3 3 3. Only the x-axis you have to see. K is where? On 1. L is where? On 2. So only your x axis will go on changing and y will remain same, or y will remain constant. Got it, children? Now, so to find coordinates, you require two things. One is the x-axis and one is the y-axis. If two x-axis or two y-axis are given, then that is wrong. You cannot find the coordinate. Coordinate you have to express one on x-axis and one on y-axis. Clear? Now see over in this figure, you will find all the points given are on y-axis, meaning there is nothing on x-axis, means you will take x as the x coordinate will be your 0. Same way, if all x's are on over here children, see over here what is constant over here, means same everywhere. Over here x-axis everywhere it is 1 only, because the whole points, all the points in one line, they are on 1. So your x will remain, coordinate x will remain 1 1 1 1 1 only. Only your y-axis will go on changing. So children, this is how we read a coordinate on the graph. Clear? So practice this. 15.2 is full of these types of sums, so please do practice. See you tomorrow. Bye children.